everyone, my name is Harshi and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Harshi Baldota and I am a third year law student at GLC Mumbai. Well, MHCET is over and now is the time for admission. You all must be very confused as to how the admission process will look like. Let me shed some light on that. Well, MHCET's admission happens through a process called the CAP round process, which is centralized admission process in which all the colleges under MHCET exam register through it, and then you fill in the form for the CAP round, and according to your scores and according to your ranks you are allotted the colleges accordingly. So in this video I'll be telling you top 5 colleges under MHCET which you should be putting in your preference list. Does not matter if your scores are up to the cutoffs of these colleges, because if your scores aren't up to these cutoffs, you will automatically be allotted different colleges beneath your preference of these 5 colleges. But why not just try and put them in the preference list just in case you can get these colleges. So I'll be telling you 5 colleges that you should be putting in your preference list in the order what I'll be telling you. This is something that I and a lot of us feel, that these colleges should be ranked in a certain way. It can totally be on your wish what you want to put in your preference list. This is just a suggestion from my side that what people generally do in their preference lists. So let's go. Well, in this video, I'll be mentioning all the colleges that are spread across Maharashtra, top 5 colleges across Maharashtra. So if you are a student who is okay with relocating to another parts of Maharashtra, well, this video is specially for you. I'll be making a second video in which I'll be mentioning top 5 colleges in Mumbai that you can aim for. If you are someone who wants to stay in Mumbai or who wants their colleges to be in Mumbai, well, that video will be for you. So let's begin. Well, the first one is GLC Mumbai, Government Law College Mumbai, where I am a student too. It is ranked first in MHCET colleges. It is one of those colleges for which students actually give MHCET exam. So I have made a detailed pros and cons video on my channel. You can look out for that, and I'm sure it will definitely solve all of your queries if you have queries regarding GLC. Okay, so the second one is ILS Pune. Well, it is ranked second in MHCET colleges. A lot of students are confused between GLC and ILS. Well, they are little bit on par with each other. GLC has more to its internships and co-curricular activities, whereas ILS has more to its college life and academics. So it really depends on the person what they really want. But if you are a Pune resident and if you are not willing to shift to any other part of Maharashtra, or if you want to stay at home only, well, ILS is a very good fit for you. There's not much difference in both the colleges. It's just that GLC has little bit to its brand name, since it has a lot of alumni who are High Court judges, Supreme Court judges and stuff like that. So it really depends on the person what they want, but ILS is a great college as well. Okay, so the third one is PGCL, which is Praveen Gandhi College of Law. It is a part of the SVKM Trust, which also owns the NMIMS College. It is located in one of the decent suburbs of Mumbai, which is Ville Parle. Praveen Gandhi also is ranked third in MHCET colleges. It is focused on academics and it has a great crowd as well. The faculty is quite nice, and the campus, as in like the building of the PGCL college, is quite great. It does not have a lot of campus, but the building is great. And yeah, so you can rank PGCL as third in your preference list. The fourth one is Fergusson College. It is in Pune. Well, a lot of people rank this as the fourth college in terms of MHCET colleges. It has a great name for itself. It has made quite a name for itself. So it's if you don't mind shifting to Pune, or if you are a Pune resident, well, you can put Fergusson as one of the preferences in your MHCET list. Well, the fifth one is Modern Law College Pune. It is located in Pune, as the name says it, and even though it is quite new as compared to other law colleges, it was established in just 2003. But it is making quite a name for itself. It is great in college life. It is great in academics. It is great in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. So you can put Modern Law College as the 5th preference in your MHCET college list. That's it for this video. These were the top 5 colleges that you should be putting in your preference list under the MHCET colleges. Well, the forms for the cap round will be soon out, and don't forget to put in these colleges, and don't forget to fill in the form itself, because a lot of people miss the deadline and MHCET is very strict with the deadline. So these were the colleges that were spread across Maharashtra. In the next video, I'll be sharing top 5 colleges in Mumbai itself. So if you are willing to stay in Mumbai, well, that video will be specially for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon right there, because in the coming days I'll be sharing a lot on the college process, the admission process, my college life in general, and other topics that will be very helpful to you. So I'm sure you don't want to miss on that. So I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.